Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jillian. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have something from one of my favorite brands. You know, Tarte. Tarte just makes, everything they make is wonderful. So, in fact, I have quite a bit. I have some Tarte makeup on today. Okay, I'm excited to share what I have in here. So, let's get to it and see what we got. Okay, friends, thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. I would love it if you subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, do those things to support my channel if you wish. That would be great. And I have in here, the first thing I'm going to pull out is they advertise this new Tarte. It's a Big Stick Energy Duo. It's a shape tape, but it's a blur concealer stick. Comes with this brush, which I'm super happy about. I actually wore this today. So it's, here's what it looks like. I love the brush that came with it. It's shaped kind of like what you want here too, under your eyes. So it's also got the same shape, kind of the triangle or kite shape stick. And this is a stick, so you can't really see it in this light. I don't know, but you just go like this, and I love that this tip right here goes good around under your eyes, and then this kind of comes down, you know, the other side. I really like it. So there's one side. I think I can tell a big difference versus the other side. So crap, maybe I have to do the other side now. I did use it. I tried it both ways. I tried it under my makeup and over my foundation. I have other makeup on, so. But anyway, I like this product, and I am crazy about this brush for a concealer brush. So I'm happy with this purchase. I mean, these are not, I thought I got them on sale, but I don't know. I paid like $29 for that. So yeah, I kind of, yeah, they went overboard. But the next thing I got was another thing that they had been advertising, and I don't know, they always make it look so good when they advertise it. But this is a spring break kit, and it's a Key Largo Glow Body Oil, a deep bronze glow, and then it came with a Maracuja Juicy Melt Mask. Okay, so I'm going to do the mask first. It's different than some of their others because it's interesting. It's got this kind of a tip here, and then it's got a push. So it's kind of like a lip oil. I tried it earlier. I mess with it now because I have a darker lip color on. But anyway, so there we go. And so I actually like that. So that was a good thing. Now the bronze glow. Okay, I have it on. Okay, I put it on my chest. I put it on my arms. I did not really notice a difference. I don't know if it was worth the money, to be honest with you. I think it did cover some tan lines though. And it comes in here's what it comes in. And it has, it didn't come with a brush, but I have this big brush that I used with it. And so I'm just gonna, I don't know. Maybe I'll just do let you see just a drop of it right here. Okay, and then I don't know, it's one side of my hand look different than the other. So anyway, I just did it on my chest and stuff, and I didn't really, like I said, I didn't really notice a big difference. I did it on my shoulders, a little bit of my arms. So I don't know. I mean, I'm going to use it. Maybe it makes a little bit of difference, but let me know if you see that I have something like bronze glow or whatever on my skin. So in Arizona, you guys, it's getting hot. It's hot. And so I wear a lot of sundresses. So I kind of like my chest and my shoulders and stuff to have a little bit of oil or a bronze glow. So can't say I'm... This was pricey. These two together were like $36. I'm still out to lunch whether this is really worth it. I got the two products. This product's good, but it wasn't necessary. But anyway, that's my opinion on these. Now, the third thing I got was another unusual item from Tarte. This is the called the Big Ego Dab and Go Hair Concealer. At first, I thought looks like the Big Ego Mascara, but it's a Dab and Go Hair Concealer. So I got it in blonde, and I do have a little bit of roots. You don't really see them. I'm actually getting my hair done the end of next week, but my hairstyle has moved like to the other end. I'm kind of on the West Coast and she moved to the East, and so, but she flies back just to do my hair. It's so funny, but she's coming next week. So okay, so what it is, here's the dabber. Then inside here, you've got, like, I guess it's a blonde. I don't know. And then you just take it and you just dab it. You can dab it in your root line. I used it earlier, so I think it made a difference. But see, I have some darker roots back here. I think I would only use this when my hair gets really bad, which it's not right now. So, anyway, this was $20. I kind of like it. I think if you want to hide your roots or fix your roots or whatever, I don't think this is a bad item to have. So I would recommend this if you like things to, that work on your hair. I've seen some ads of some products that do that, where they just dab it on and it takes away the colors. So anyway, so the blonde, even though I'm not super blonde, it still seems to work for me. So my hair is kind of a dark blonde normally, and I just put highlights and lowlights in it. I don't do a lot of color with it, but anyway, there's that. But my roots do come out a little bit darker. So anyway, there's that item. So I just got this item, the glow, the body glow, and the lip oil, or they call it lip mask, but anyway. And then the Shape Tape with the awesome brush. I recommend this item. I think this is really a good concealer. So I don't know if you guys notice a difference, but I noticed a difference just when I put it on again. So anyway, there's that. So I'm wearing a bronze look, which is not normal for me really, but I got it. I just filmed my my Ipsy icon box, so you'll have to go check that out and check out the eyeshadow, because I got a palette. Got a Natasha Denona palette. And so anyway, just thought I'd share that. So thank you guys for being here. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these products, and do they look worth it to you? Would you buy them, do you think? Or anyway, I'm not going to regret any of these. I think this was a little pricey, and I'm not sure how great it is really, but I'm curious. I might try this on my legs too and just see. I'm just curious. So I'll play with it a little bit more, but I did try it because I wanted to review these when I showed you my purchase. So anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Thanks. Bye-bye.